Did you know there are fun ways to compare things in English? Let's learn about similes and metaphors to cool tricks that make your words come alive. Understanding similes and metaphors. Similes and metaphors are both ways to compare things, but they do it a little differently. A simile compares two things using the words as or like. It helps show how things are alike in a fun way. First example of simile: she is as fast as a cheetah. This compares a girl's speed to a cheetah's. Second example of simile: the cookie is like a rock. This shows the cookie is really hard. Metaphor: a metaphor also compares two things, but it says one thing is another without using like or as. It's like pretending one thing is something else to show what it's like. First example of metaphor: he is a shining star. This means he is very special, like a star in the sky. Second example of metaphor: the classroom was a zoo. This means the classroom was noisy and wild like a zoo. Both are great ways to make writing more exciting. And that's the fun of similes and metaphors, Junior Explorer. Comparing things in cool, creative ways to make your writing pop. Give it a try.